Cry. He cries when he is sad. Cry. He cries when he is sad. Drive. He drives to work. Drive. He drives to work. Funny. The dog looks funny. Funny. The dog looks funny. Hope. She hopes the sun comes out. Hope. She hopes the sun comes out. Laugh. Jan laughs a lot. Laugh. Jan laughs a lot. Nice. Mary is very nice. Nice. Mary is very nice. Smile. She always smiles. Smile. She always smiles. Strong. My uncle is very strong. Strong. My uncle is very strong. Student. The student has many books. Student. The student has many books. Young. The young girl loves her grandma. Young. The young girl loves her grandma.
Big. The red apple is big. Big. The red apple is big. Boy. The boy is 10 years old. Boy. The boy is 10 years old. Child. The child plays in the sand. Child. The child plays in the sand. Have. She has a cat. Have. She has a cat. Loud. The music is too loud. Loud. The music is too loud. Story.
We read a story at bedtime.
Story.
We read a story at bedtime.
Swim. He can swim. Swim. He can swim. Today. What day is it today? Today. What day is it today? Watch. They watch a movie. Watch. They watch a movie. Worry. She always worries before a test. Worry. She always worries before a test.
Able. She is able to swim. Able. She is able to swim. Alone. She cries when she is alone. Alone. She cries when she is alone. Animal. The boy watches the animal. Animal. The boy watches the animal. Become. The child wants to become a teacher. Become. The child wants to become a teacher. Call. Dad calls my name. Call. Dad calls my name. Catch. He catches the ball. Catch. He catches the ball. Country. The farm is in the country. Country. The farm is in the country. Monkey. The monkey is in the tree. Monkey. The monkey is in the tree. Thin. The laptop is thin. Thin. The laptop is thin. Word. A story has many words. Word. A story has many words.
Baby. The baby cries a lot. Baby. The baby cries a lot. Clean. She cleans the floor. Clean. She cleans the floor. Eat. The students eat lunch. Eat. The students eat lunch. Enjoy. She enjoys art class. Enjoy. She enjoys art class. Family. My family is big. Family. My family is big. Fruit. She eats fruit every day. Fruit. She eats fruit every day. Jump. They jump into the water. Jump. They jump into the water. Kind. There are many kinds of apples. Kind. There are many kinds of apples. Man. The man laughs at the funny story. Man. The man laughs at the funny story. Parent. Their parents are nice. Parent. Their parents are nice. Address. My email address is fun54@yahoo.com. Address. My email address is fun54@yahoo.com. Afternoon. He cleans his car in the afternoon. Afternoon. He cleans his car in the afternoon. Come. Please come with me. Come. Please come with me. Home. Their home has 3 bedrooms. Home. Their home has 3 bedrooms. Letter. She often writes funny letters to her family. Letter. She often writes funny letters to her family. Lunch. She eats a sandwich for lunch every day. Lunch. She eats a sandwich for lunch every day. Make. My parents make good pies. Make. My parents make good pies. Need. We need water to live. Need. We need water to live. People. There are a lot of people here. People. There are a lot of people here. Start. The man starts to run. Start. The man starts to run.
Cook. Dad cooks dinner for us. Cook. Dad cooks dinner for us. Day. Which day do you have art class? Day. Which day do you have art class? Drink. What kind of juice do you want to drink? Drink. What kind of juice do you want to drink? Front. The boy stands at the front of the classroom. Front. The boy stands at the front of the classroom. Great. Nick does a great job on tests. Great. Nick does a great job on tests. Play. We are able to play soccer after school today. Play. We are able to play soccer after school today. See. He sees the baby smile. See. He sees the baby smile. Send. I send about 10 emails a day. Send. I send about 10 emails a day. Small. Betty has a small dog. Small. Betty has a small dog. Time. What time is it now? Time. What time is it now? Again. He needs to write the letter again. Again. He needs to write the letter again. Bad. The fruit is bad. Bad. The fruit is bad. Buy. She buys a small gift. Buy. She buys a small gift. End. Some people cry at the end of a movie. End. Some people cry at the end of a movie. Find. He finds his lunch in the bag. Find. He finds his lunch in the bag. Friend. He plays baseball with his friends in the afternoon. Friend. He plays baseball with his friends in the afternoon. Say. Please say your address again. Say. Please say your address again. Speak. The teacher speaks to the student. Speak. The teacher speaks to the student. Sweet. She likes to eat sweet snacks. Sweet. She likes to eat sweet snacks. True. Is it true that you have a monkey? True. Is it true that you have a monkey?